Welcome to Helen Chemistry channel. Today's topic stability of resonating structure. How to find stability of resonating structures. Okay. Rules. The compound which have more number of covalent bond shows more stable. Next, when compared neutral species and charged species compound, neutral species is more stable. Okay. Next, third one, negative charge on more electronegative atom shows more stability. Positive charge on the more electronegative atom is less stable. Two charged species. So in this, plus A has plus charge and A has plus charge. So both the charge is same. So like charges repulsion. Okay, like charges makes repulsion, so less stable. But here unlike charges nearby, so it is more stable. Okay, last one, you have to find inductive effect. So these are the rule. First you have to count the number of covalent bonds. Which one have more number of covalent bonds, that is more stable. Neutral species, charged species, neutral species is more stable. Negative charge on the electronegative atom is more stable. Positive charge on the electronegative atom is less stable. Like charges does repulsion, so that is less stable. Unlike charges attract, so it is more stable. And last you have to find inductive effect. Next example. Okay. These are the examples. This is structure of one. Here structure 2. Okay. In these you have to count number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, but in the structure 2, 1, 2, 3. So this structure has more number of covalent bonds. So 2 is more stable and then 1. So 2 greater than 1. Reason, more number of covalent bonds. Next, second example, structure 1. This lone pair electron moves here. This bond moves here. So forms this resonating structure. CH2 minus, CH double bond, NH2 plus. Okay. First, what is the first rule? We have to find number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So both are having same number of covalent bonds. So next you have to go for the next step. Next rule. So this is a neutral species. This is a charged species because it has minus and plus charge. So neutral species is more stable. So 1 is greater than 2. Reason is neutral is more stable than charged species. Next example 3. So structure 1, structure 2. So first you have to find number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the equal number of covalent bonds. So you cannot find out the stability. Next rule, second rule. These first one also charged species, second one also charged species. Here O having minus charge, CH2 has minus charge. So second rule, you cannot find out stability order using the second rule. Then go for third rule. So more electronegative atom has negative charge. So here oxygen is more electronegative compared to the carbon. So structure 1 is more stable and then 2. Negative charge on the more electronegative atom. Next example, arrange the order of stability. Okay, arrange the order of stability. Structure 1, structure 2, structure 3. First you have to count covalent number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So first one has more number of covalent bonds. So it is more stable. And then compare 2 and 3. So the below down the structure both are same. So you have to compare the above one. Here C plus charge, O minus charge, Here C minus charge, O plus charge. So O is more electronegative. So minus charge on the electronegative atom is more stable. So second, so first is more stable and then second and then 3. Okay. More electronegative atom has positive charge, that is less stable. So 1, 2, 3. Next see the example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A and B has equal number of covalent bonds. So rule 1 satisfied. Then go for second rule. So this one is neutral species. Second option is charged species. So neutral species is more stable than charged species. So A is more stable and then B. Then compare C and D. So in this O is more electronegative atom. So C option has negative charges, C option has positive charge and oxygen atom. So more electronegative has more negative charge, that is more stable. So C comes first and D. So A, B, C, D. Okay. Next example. Count the number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So A and C has equal number of covalent bonds. So you cannot use the rule first to order the stability. Next is rule second. So both the charge species, plus charge, minus charge, plus charge, minus charge. So you cannot find the stability order using the second rule. Next go to the third rule. So here N has negative charge, here carbon has negative charge. So N is more electronegative than carbon. So more electronegative atom has more stable. So A comes first and then C. Then compare B and A. Here N is more electronegative, has negative charge. Carbon has negative charge. So when more electronegative atom has negative charge, that is more stable. So B comes first and then D. So stability order what? A, C, B, D. Next example. See the structure. In this, count the number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is unstable. Why? What is the reason? Nitrogen can never be pentavalent. So this is unstable. So nitrogen valency is 4. So it never be a pentavalent. So this is unstable compound. So this is unstable and this is stable one. Then go to the next example. Structure 1, structure 2, structure 3. Okay. Double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So equal number of covalent bonds. Next rule, charged species. Okay. So all are the charged species. So you cannot use the second rule. So then go for the third rule. Here oxygen has negative charge, oxygen has negative charge, oxygen has negative charge. So more electronegative atom has shows more stability. So you cannot use the third rule also. Then go to the fourth rule. Fourth rule also satisfied. Then go to the fifth rule. Here negative, positive, negative, positive. But in the option A, positive, positive for nearby. So this is unstable. Two like charges closer. So this is unstable. Okay. Then go to the ninth example. So you have to A and B. So first rule 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of covalent bonds 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Satisfied. This is also charged species. This is also charged species. So next, this is the minus I group. Okay. This methyl groups gives the electron to this CH group. So this was plus I effect. So this is stable. Here this is the minus I effect. This CH2 takes the electron from this carbon. So this is unstable one. So this is unstable compound. This is stable compound. Thank you.